Want to know some security tips to use Evernote safely? Well, to enhance security when using Evernote, you want to prioritize strong, unique passwords and also make sure to enable the two-step verification. Avoid storing sensitive information like passwords or social security numbers directly in Evernote. Instead, use encrypted containers or password managers for those. Additionally, consider encrypting sensitive text within your notes and setting a passcode lock on the Evernote app itself as well. So the first is to use a unique and strong password. The second step is to enable the two-step verification. One of the things to be aware of and to avoid is to avoid saving sensitive data storage and also use encrypted containers or password managers for saving passwords as well. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.